Good morning, class. Today's topic is area bounded by two curves. Area bounded by two curves. Let there are two curves. Let two curves y1 equal f1x and y2 equal f2x which intersect at point A, y1 and b, y2. Sorry, a, y1 dash and b, y2 dash. Now suppose first curve is y1 equal f1x and second curve is y2 equal f2x, and we have to find the area. It is second curve and it is first curve, and we have to find the area between both these curves. These curves intersect at a, y1 dash, means it is point a, 0. Value of x at this point is a, 0, and value of x at this point is b, y2 dash, means b, 0. Then if we want to find the area bounded by both these curves, then it is equal limit a to b Firstly, we have to find the area bounded by curve y1 equal f1x, x-axis, and x equal a, x equal b. X equal a, x equal b, and it is x-axis. Then area bounded by curve y1 means f1x is f1x dx, and if we subtract the area bounded by curve y2 equal f2x, x equal a, x equal b, and x-axis, then we find the area bounded by both these curves, means it is f2x dx. मीन्स अगर हम अपर कर्व में से लोअर कर्व को माइनस कर दें तो हमें एरिया बाउंडेड बाय बोथ दीज कर्व मिल जाएगा. देन ए टू बी f1x minus f2x dx. It is area bounded by two curve, and we can also write this area a to b y1 minus y2 dx. For it, firstly we have to find the intersection point of both these curves, and the value of x in intersection point of both these curves is lower and upper limit of the area. It is third part of question number 1. Find the area between the parabola y square equal 4ax and the line y equal 2x. Let it is curve y square equal 4ax given curve y square equal 4ax given line y equal 2x. Firstly, we find the intersection of curve and line. For it, we simply solve both these equations. Put the value of y in first. We have from first and second, put the value of y. 4a square x square equal 4ax. Then it is 4a ax minus 1 equal 0. Sorry, 4ax minus 1 equal 0. Then we have value of x is 0 and 1 by a, and value of y, put the value of x in second, we have 0 and 1 by a, we have 2. It means line y equal 2ax cuts the parabola y square equal 4ax at point 0, 0 and 1 by a, 2. Means it will passes through 0, 0 and 1 by a. It is 1 by a and 2. Suppose it is the line y equal 2x and the intersection point is, it is 1 by a, 2. It means it is 1 by a, 0. Now upper curve is parabola. We have to find the area bounded by both this curve, means we have to find this area. Upper curve is parabola y square equal 4ax and lower curve is line y equal 2x. Then area bounded by both this curve, curves and line, we have limit, lower limit is 0, upper limit is 1 by a, y1 minus y2. y1 is upper curve, means value of y in y square equal 4ax, which is root 4ax, and value of y in line, which is 2ax. Now integrate this term and get the required answer. X to the power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 and it is x square. Now we have 2 root a 1 by a to the power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 and it is a into 1 by a square. A cancel out and it is 4 by 3 a to the power 3 by 2 in denominator and it is a to the power 1 by 2, means 1 by a to the power minus half, minus 1 by a, 4 by 3 a minus 1 by a and it is 1 by 3a square unit.